sun goes down. Summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be. So I write days down because summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be around. Summer love's always gonna be. Love struck. I'm here writing pages by my dumb luck. I haven't felt this way in ages, but I found a reason to enjoy this season.
Welcome to your favorite show, Pree Dis. I'm your host Jeremy, filling in for Cuddy this week. It's not my fault, I'm gonna have him busy at waist. Alright, some of us want to have a little small step in. We're right here on Hellshire Beach. Want to give the ladies them a nice sexy beach vibe. And just make sure stay in tune with us for the next half hour. We'll give you entertainment and lifestyle every single time. We did Pree Dis.
Summer love's always gonna be.
Ooh, always have to protect yourself in the sun, you know? Jamaica we live. So we're gonna kick it off now. Saints International had their fashion block in New Kingston. I want me tell you, models nice. Fashion, well fancy. But if you don't believe we have the highlights from the place, you know. So we could check it out. 3 designers right now go and give their fashion right now. Calico Jack, Rum Punch. Can't go beach without it.
Watch you girl them, watch you girl them, watch you girl them, baby. Watch you girl them, watch you girl them, watch you girl them. Girl you too hot, fit on up in a one spot. Walk out, make everybody see your body. When your favorite song drop, broke out 'cause you no cater to nobody. You no own no girl, and you no have on no girl clothes. So next time when the video man pass, walk up in the light and pose. Girl, your body gooder than gold mine. Walk up and down and wine. Girl, you know you are the man sunshine. Walk up and down and wine. Hey girl, this is a boring time. Walk up and down and wine. Your body fit like Shelly, Olympic time. Walk up and down and wine. Watch you girl them, watch you girl them, watch you girl them. Bounce when you feed the girl them again. Anytime you wanna jump a problem again. You see, another girl anthem again. When girl a dash out, we a grab them again. Any man no want see the girl them a broke out. Mind to the door, tell the boy them come out. Sing for the girl them I know say you look damn good and your body no done out, girl. Body gooder than gold mine. Walk up and down and wine. Girl you know you are the man sunshine. Walk up and down and wine. Hey girl, this is a boring time. Your body fit like Shelly, Olympic time. Walk up and down and wine. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Watch you girl them, 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 watch you girl them. Girl you too hot, fit on up in a one spot. Walk out, make everybody see your body. When your favorite song drop, broke out 'cause you no cater to nobody. You no own no girl, and you no have on no girl.
Woo, so we're still here at Hellshire Beach, Portmore. And when you're in Portmore, you know, you have to get your full day's worth. So case in point, beach in the day, and in the night are straight ravens. So when I say ravens, you know, Pree Dis was at the grand opening of Portmore new nightclub, B nightclub. So we have the highlights right here, check it out.
Hey, pull up, sound a bounce and the place a full up. Sexy girl now me can't get enough. Girl a good on my head that me love. I murder when me step in at the club. Selector to the top in at the soul. Music a bounce and lyrics by the tons and me high grade sent from above. We tell them. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. Watch out for this. Watch out for this.
your name?
Michelle.
Michelle? Okay. How would you rate Club V?
From 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. 11.
How much?
11.
11? 8 out of 10. So I'm assuming right now that you're enjoying yourself, right?
I am enjoying myself.
All right.
DJ just needs to crank it up a little bit and then everything will be good.
How would you rate Club V? From 1 to 10, how would you rate Club V?
No, 10 is the underscore right now.
It's a underscore.
It's the underscore. So right now we got 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10.
Right now, we have 3 nights open, right? Wednesday night is ladies' night, right? Ladies' night. Ladies free. Friday night is the best of the parties, top parties. Karaoke will be on Monday night, real karaoke. Karaoke will be on the roof, right? But end of month, Monday, the last Monday of the month, we'll have it in the club. So far, my staffs are doing well. Hectic from night, real hectic, right? As we said, tonight was just invites only, just by a word of mouth.
So you know, sir, still summertime, and with summertime you can't stress how important it is for be drinking responsibly. So you what say, Rumba responsible drinking tip, your time. I wonder if I could have mixed up one of them, you know. Yeah man, of course, I regularly do that, you know.
The responsible drinking tip brought to you by Rumba Rum. Have a water or soft drink to quench your thirst before you start drinking alcohol. Set a limit and count your drinks. It is recommended that you have no more than 4 standard drinks on a single occasion. The responsible drinking tip brought to you by Rumba Rum.
So we have the first commercial break. So I still have my coconut water right so I might go get some fish for eat too. Yeah? Wanna get something too. Soon come back.